Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can sync audio with video in CapCut. So first, to sync the audio with the video that you want to edit, you need to mark the beats first. So after you import the clips and also video, click on the audio here and find the beats options at the menu. And now you can just add the beat manually like this, or you can also use the auto generate from CapCut by clicking on the circle at the bottom. Now CapCut will adding the beats. Just wait. Okay, you can see the yellow mark has been added, and you can just click on a check icon. And to sync it with the beat, what you need to do next is just trim or split the video to match with the yellow dots. So here I'm going to just trim it like this to easily match or sync the audio with the video like that. So if you have more than 3 clips like I did, you can just do the exact same steps. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on thanks. Bye.